I could spend the next 3 hours talking about what makes a great investment video, or we watched pitch videos fail, focusing on talking at people, not with people. So we made a decision. No more pitch videos. We've combined 20 years of filmmaking experience with dozens of pitch videos into an innovative, game-changing concept that we've coined Great Pitch Videos.
Yeah! Come on!
A pitch video is your first point of contact. It offers the best opportunity to tell your story and raise capital. A great pitch video is inspiring, informative, and it's entertaining. A good pitch video will also have a very good-looking host. That's not funny. Here are some golden rules. Show, don't tell. I can tell you why the world needs an online pet sitting community. Or
hi, I'm Jess, I'm a dog, and we've been using PetCloud for over a year.
I could tell you about the Aussie beer retailer that's kicking goals. Or if you've got a sec, I'd love to talk to you about when you say everything, you say nothing. It's very easy to get sucked into, ooh, we have to include that. People don't care. Remember, you're making the investment video for them, not for you. Short is sweet. Unless your 8-minute pitch video has stunts, a Hollywood cast, a dog that can juggle, and a guy dressed up in a panda suit, I'm not watching till the end. Choose wisely. You need an experienced, strategic, and creatively minded team. You only get one shot. Expect to pay between 6 to 10K to make an incredible pitch video with marketing and social assets that are evergreen. Finally, if you learn nothing else from this video, remember, the #1 way to raise capital is to